everyone. I am Prasad, your chauffeur guide from Sri Lanka. So today I am going to show you one of my favorite food, how to cook the cooker demonstration, how to cook the food that you can see the jackfruit. It's on the tree, and that is the one we cook here. And you can see here, this is the jackfruit called. It's already boiled, and also that fruit once it ripe, we call jackfruit. That also we taking as a dessert. Now we are going to show you how to cook that food, and you can see now. First of all, we cut the onion and also the garlic, and the green chili, and curry leaves, and here you can see the cinnamon stick, one of the endemic spices in Sri Lanka, and a turmeric powder, and pepper whole, and a curry powder, and a mustard seed, and pandan leaves, and we have the grated coconut here. Now you know guys that you have the blenders at your home, but in Sri Lanka typical the way of cooking that we use the home like a manual blender. You can see how we chop those spices together: the mustard seed, green chili, pepper whole, cinnamon, and also you can see the salt, and also it's in the coconut shell. And we are adding some grated coconut on it. Now you can see those things became in the yellow color because of the turmeric powder, and it's all mixed with all the spices. And you can see it's very well boiled the jackfruit, and we are adding those spices on it, and then mixing them up all together. Now we are taking our food is getting ready. It's getting into the small dish. It's ready to serve now. You can see now all this jackfruit with all the coconut and all the spices mixed. And thank you very much for watching this, and we will soon get back to you with another dish. Ayubowan.